I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. The artistic edge shielding your passion and profits. As an artist, your talent is your business. Every brushstroke, every note, every chisel mark is a testament to your dedication and skill. You pour your heart and soul into your creations, often spending countless hours perfecting your craft. You deserve to protect your hard work, ensuring that your passion remains both fulfilling and financially secure. An LLC, or limited liability company, does just that. It provides a legal structure that separates your personal assets from your business liabilities. It acts like a protective shield between your personal assets and your creative business, giving you peace of mind. Check out the link in the description box below. Imagine this: a customer trips over a paintbrush at your art exhibition. Accidents happen, and when they do, they can lead to unexpected legal and financial consequences. Without an LLC, you could be held personally liable. This means that your personal savings, your home, and other personal assets could be at risk. This means they could go after your personal savings or even your home, putting everything you've worked for in jeopardy. But with an LLC, your personal assets are protected. This legal structure ensures that your personal finances remain secure, no matter what happens in your business. An LLC also offers tax advantages. It provides flexibility in how you choose to be taxed, which can lead to significant savings. It allows you to choose how you want to be taxed, whether as a sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation, depending on what benefits you the most. This can save you money in the long run, allowing you to reinvest in your art and grow your business. Starting an LLC might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With the right guidance and resources, the process can be straightforward and manageable. With a little guidance, you can set up your LLC and focus on what you do best: creating art that inspires. Protect your passion, secure your profits, and let your creativity flourish without worry. LLC unveiled your creative business partner. An LLC is like a legal guardian for your art business. It's a separate legal entity from you. Think of it as a separate person in the eyes of the law. This separation is crucial for protecting your personal assets. If your business faces legal issues or debts, your personal belongings remain safe. LLCs are popular among small business owners. They are flexible and easy to manage. They offer a great balance of protection and simplicity. This makes them perfect for independent artists like you. Naming your artistic empire. Choosing a name for your LLC is like choosing a title for your masterpiece. It should be memorable and reflect your artistic brand. Once you have a name in mind, check with your state's business filing agency. Make sure the name is not already taken by another business in your state. You can reserve your chosen name for a certain period. This gives you time to complete the LLC formation process. It's like reserving your spot in the art world. Choosing your state of operation. Your LLC must be registered in the state where you primarily do business. This is typically the state where your art studio is located, or where you hold most of your exhibitions. Each state has its own rules and fees for LLC formation. Research your state's specific requirements. You can usually find this information on your state's Secretary of State website. Filing your articles of organization. The articles of organization are like the birth certificate of your LLC. They officially establish your LLC in your chosen state. This document typically includes basic information about your LLC. This includes the name of your LLC, its purpose, and the address of your registered agent. The registered agent is the person or company authorized to receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. You can file your articles of organization online or by mail. There is a filing fee, which varies by state. Crafting your operating agreement. Think of your operating agreement as the blueprint for running your LLC. It outlines the ownership structure of your LLC. It defines the rights and responsibilities of each member. This is especially important if you have partners in your art business. Your operating agreement should also include procedures for handling profits and losses. It should also address how disputes will be resolved. While not always legally required, an operating agreement is highly recommended. It helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts down the road. Obtaining your EIN. your business social security number. An employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your LLC. It's a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS. You need an EIN to open a business bank account. You'll also need it to file your business taxes and hire employees. You can apply for an EIN online for free through the IRS website. It's a straightforward process that can be completed in minutes. Bizee simplifying your LLC formation. Navigating the legal aspects of forming an LLC can feel overwhelming. That's where companies like Bizee come in. Bizee specializes in simplifying the LLC formation process for entrepreneurs and small business owners. They handle all the paperwork and filings for you. This ensures your LLC is formed correctly and complies with all state regulations. Bizee can also help you obtain your EIN. This further streamlines the process of launching your art business. Understanding the benefits why artists choose LLCs. In this section, we will delve deeper into the reasons why many artists find forming an LLC to be a beneficial move for their careers and businesses. Now that you know the steps to form an LLC, let's revisit the key benefits. These benefits are not just theoretical. They have practical implications that can significantly impact your day-to-day operations and long-term success. As mentioned earlier, the primary benefit of an LLC is personal liability protection. This is crucial for artists who often invest a lot of time and money into their work. This means your personal assets, such as your home, car, and savings, are shielded from business debts and lawsuits. If your business faces financial difficulties or legal challenges, your personal belongings remain safe. This peace of mind is invaluable for artists who often work with valuable materials or showcase their work in public spaces. Knowing that your personal assets are protected allows you to focus more on your creative process and less on potential financial risks. Another significant benefit is the tax advantage. LLCs enjoy pass-through taxation, which can simplify your tax filing process and potentially save you money. This means the profits and losses of your business are passed through to your personal income tax return. You report them on your individual tax forms, avoiding the complexities of corporate tax filings. You avoid the double taxation that corporations face, where income is taxed at both the corporate level and again at the individual level when distributed as dividends. This can result in significant tax savings for your art business. By reducing your tax burden, you can reinvest more of your earnings back into your art, whether it's purchasing new materials, renting a better studio space, or funding your next big project. Embracing the power of protection and growth. Forming an LLC is not just about protecting yourself from potential risks. It's also about positioning your art business for growth and success. An LLC lends credibility and professionalism to your artistic endeavors. It shows potential buyers, galleries, and collaborators that you are serious about your art. This can open doors to new opportunities and help you establish a strong reputation in the art world. Moreover, an LLC provides a solid foundation for your business's financial future. It allows you to separate your personal and business finances. This makes it easier to track your income and expenses. It also simplifies your tax filing process. Unleash your artistic potential. Start your LLC journey today. Embark on a path that not only secures your creative endeavors, but also elevates them to new heights. Forming an LLC is a strategic move that can empower your artistic career. It's more than just a legal formality. It's a foundation for your future success. It provides legal protection, tax advantages, and enhanced credibility. These benefits are crucial for any artist looking to make a lasting impact. It's a testament to your dedication to your craft and your vision for the future. By forming an LLC, you show the world that you are serious about your art and your business. While the process might seem daunting at first, it's important to remember that you don't have to go through it alone. Resources like Bizee are available to guide you every step of the way. They offer expert advice and support, making the journey smoother and less stressful. They can handle the complexities of LLC formation, from paperwork to legal requirements, so you don't have to worry about the details. This allows you to focus on what you do best, creating art that inspires. Your time and energy can be dedicated to your passion, rather than administrative tasks. Don't let legal hurdles hinder your artistic aspirations. Overcoming these challenges is part of the journey, And with the right support, it's entirely manageable. Take the leap, form your LLC, and unleash the full potential of your creative business. This step can open doors to new opportunities and growth. Your art deserves to be protected, and so do you. By securing your business, you're also securing your future and the legacy of your work.